All right, can we identify the right variable that we're leaving off the board? They want to increase the environment like cap so that way they can grow faster, and what it can like the total constant of the formula that the environment can support is k. They tell us that here. So when we rewrite this equation, it's k that we don't know. And they're telling us that the number of plants will increase from 3,000 to 3,360. And that's a good hint too that we're trying to change k, because they're now telling us not only what this year is, but also what next year is. So we want to make sure we put the numbers in the right place. So 3,360 is going to be equal to 3,000 plus 0.2 times 3,000 times 1 minus 3,000 over k. We don't know what k is yet. So let's simplify everything we can around this first to just make life easy for us. I'm going to subtract 3,000 here, and then we end up with just 360, which is equal to 0.2 times 3,000. What is that going to be? 0.2 times 3,000 is 600. So we see that that's 600 outside of 1 minus 3,000 over k. And then I can divide both sides by 600. That would cancel that out. That gives me 600 here. And then 360 divided by 600 is 0.6. And that's now equal to 1. So 1 minus 3,000 over k. And I made sure I did this order because when I realized that I have such a complex situation here, I'd rather just leave this for last, because now look how much easier it's going to be. I can get the k by itself by first getting this term by itself. So I'll subtract 1 from both sides, and we end up with negative 0.4 is equal to 3,000 over k. Now, what I want to do here is I want to get k by itself, and I can swap out k for the term here. I'm sorry, and this is negative here, by the way, because all we do is cancel this out. So now I want to get k by itself. So because I have a single term equal to a fraction, I know I can just swap out that single term in the denominator. I showed in a previous video how to make sure that you can go about it, but to save us time, we can just do this now, where k equals negative 3,000 over negative 0.4. I just swapped the single term in the denominator there. All right, and if we put that into our calculator, I'm just going to keep them both positive since I know two negatives make a positive. Divided by 0.4, I end up with 7,500, the correct answer.